before Kodibu. When I was in school, actually, I went to a public secondary school. I suffered a lot of discrimination, where people will not want to sit with me, don't want to play with me. But that doesn't stop me from being myself.
Earlier this year, I lost my mom, and later on, I lost my dad as well. I was thinking about it with my siblings, and we were just imagining, because I'm the first, we were just imagining if Codeable did not happen. If Codeable did not happen, I don't know, I sincerely do not know what we would have done. One thing that Kodibu has taught me, basically, is that anybody can start from anywhere and grow from there.
Giving back to the community is dear to me. I was a product of some institutions' laudable contribution to the society. I was introduced to computing relatively early because the organization donated a computer lab to my grammar school in a remote area in Ogun State. They didn't know who I was or who it would have impacted, but they did it anyway. In response, I do my best to contribute back to the society, to build the next frontier and tech billionaires.
We also partner with Special Olympics to provide the same valuable tech training to high-functioning individuals with mental disabilities. And it's been fabulous all the way.
Special Olympics Nigeria works with people with intellectual disability. Basically, we organize sports training, athletics competition, and health programs for them. It is one task or one job I would say is extremely difficult. A lot of the times, persons with intellectual disabilities are seen as people who cannot do beyond just living. They are seen as people who are just there to exist and nothing more. But the Codeable project is showing that that idea, that way of thinking is actually a myth. And the Codeable project is busting that myth. It is bringing to bear, bringing to reality the fact that persons with intellectual disabilities have the capacity to learn, have the capacity to do more than people think they can do. And for me, that is one of the most beautiful aspects of the Codeable project, giving persons with intellectual disability a platform to showcase that inner capability, that inner strength, that beautiful aspect of them that nobody expects to see.
I thought that Special Olympics was just like sport alone. But as time goes on, I found out that it wasn't just about sport, but it was all about education and health joined together, bringing inclusivity through community.
So in 2022, I was one of the first cohort of Kodibu. I was a unified partner with some other people living with intellectual disabilities. There's something I love about Codeable, and that is the fact that when we were learning with the unified partners, after each class, we'll meet with our bodies, those living with learning disabilities, to make sure they internalize what we've learned so far. That process makes it feel like while I'm a beneficiary of the program, I'm also giving back to the society, because my partner, then my body, eventually was chosen to intern for quality assurance. It was a great journey to see him being someone without coding knowledge to someone who now tests software applications.
People will be like, this guy can't do anything, but in me, I know that I can do all things. At first, it was difficult, but now, I am now adapting to the quality assurance and software testing stuff. Also, the most important thing is that I've improved my communication skills.
Me personally, I started from nowhere. I didn't have a career path. I didn't know anything about a career. I don't know that. In fact, I had a lot of emotional growth, to do, and after Kodibu, and working in Seamless, there has been like now that now you can track the progress. Now you can track the growth. So now I'm tracking the growth, and it's been massive, and I know that I'm just starting.
Seeing how the Codeable project has allowed persons with and those without intellectual disabilities to come together, to work together, to learn together, and to thrive together. It is indeed an aspect of the program that Special Olympics Nigeria is very, very proud of.
Before school, it was like, hey, I want to become a doctor, I want to become an accountant, I want to become a business specialist, all those stuff. But me meeting Seamless teacher now, I have to change my mentality into going into tech as a career path.